Welcome back to BST Electronic Surgery. Still Friday. What we want to fix? We do have this fine Bluetooth speaker. It's Huawei. You can see. That's our Bluetooth speaker. The problem with this one, I can see here we have that's the plus, the volume up, volume down. That's the button, the pausing button, and here we have the power button. If I try to power it on, I'm sure I must have sound, but it's just dead. So that's what we have to fix. I never opened such kind of thing, but we'll try to do it. We'll try to see how we can open this kind of speaker. We do have the charging port. That's the charging port. Let's try to put it on charge and see what is it doing. Charger plugged. It's taking no current, it's just dead. So how I'm going to open this thing? No screws, nothing. Any idea? Any idea? No, this side we don't have screws. Any idea how I'm going to get inside of this thing? Do you have clips here? Let's try. Maybe we can. Let's try to do it. Yes. We have some screws here. Small portable Bluetooth speaker. Let's try to fix it quickly if we can. Either we have a charging port problem or the battery. I don't think we have complicated issue here. So that should be a very, very short video. Let's do it. Let's take off this connector. That's for the speaker. Let's take the engine out. What a classic speaker. All screws are out. What do we have on the other side? We only have two connectors, the battery connector and this connector, which I believe is for the LED. So I'll take out the battery connector. I'll take this connector out. and we'll try to go under microscope and see what's going on here. I think I just see the problem. So let's put everything together. Yeah, that's our charging port, and how can I do it for you to see what's going on here? Yes, check on the pins from the screen. Check all the pins are not connected. This one, that's the ground pin. We have the plus and minus and some data pins. All the pins are not connected to the board. Not even one. So clearly we do have a charging port fault here. That's the charging port. If I try to move it, you can see no pin is connected. So let's fix that one quickly. That should be very quick. I know it's kind of boring stuff, but it's an electronic device, so you have to fix it. Or what we have to do is to use soldering paste as usual. Let's put our soldering paste. And then what I will do next, I will come with my soldering gun and try to resoldering all those tracks. Let's try to do it. I know we can do this kind of things. Nothing hard. Let's resolder all those pins. I think we need to take off some soldering. There's too much solder there. Let's try to take it off. Let's do it. What I want to do, I want to solder back these ground things. That's first one. That's another one. So let's check under microscope what we've done here. Let's check under microscope. That's our charging port. And if I try to move it, all pins are now solid. You can't even move it. So our charging port is now good. It's now good. What I need to do, I want to test if I plug it, we have voltage on the battery connector. That's very important to see if our voltage, our 5 volts is passing from the charging port to the battery connector. Plus let's change the charger. No, we don't have voltage, 0. Let's plug the battery. Let's plug the battery. And then let's plug the charger. No, it's not working. It's not working for the reason which I don't know. So let's clean this port quickly. And check again. That's all what we have to do. Just to clean and check again. All pins look soldered. Again. Ground plus 0. Let's do something more. let's do something more. Something more here. Let's come with hot air from the back. All what we want to do is just to move the charging port. If this doesn't work, we'll put another new charging port. That's not a big issue, but I wanted just to make this job quick for me. Let's cool down the body. Let's test again. If we look, we have this red light. What does that mean? It means we now have a voltage on the charging port. So if I check again on the battery connector, on the plus, we have 4.10 volts. For this kind of speaker is quite good. So our speaker is now charging. It's now charging. So what I want to do more, I want to make this port stronger by hot glue. I don't want this to happen again, so we'll put some hot glue just to strengthen our charging port, because customers are playing with charging port. At some point the port will broke again, but if I put some glue like this, that will make it stronger. It will last. So let's wait for our glue, or we can speed the reaction by our blower. So yeah, that's all what we have to do today. What I want to do, I want to check the battery voltage. So plug in our body and let's test what voltage do we have there on the battery. Ground plus 1 volt. One volt is very low. We have a low battery also, so let's lower the voltage and try to recharge our battery. Let's charge our battery quickly. I'll put my minus on the charging port and I'll come with plus on the plus of the battery connector. You know, small things, they're hard to fix. So let's try to do it. It's taking 300 milliamps. Let's raise our voltage a little bit. 800 milliamps, our battery is charging. Let's just charge the battery just to bring it to normal minimum voltage, and then from there we can put all together and test our speaker. Let's do it if we can. One amp, that should be fine. So there were two issues on this speaker. The first one was the charging port, which was broken. All pins were not connected and they were not passing voltage from the charging port to the battery connector. Secondly, there was the issue of the battery. I checked the battery, you see it was around 1 volt, and here it's written minimum voltage 3.7 and fully charged 4.2. So if I put all together without charging this battery, it won't charge because the battery is too low, or it will take time. So I just want to speed up the process a little bit. That's all what we have to do. .3 amps, which is okay. I know these are kind of boring stuff, but what you can do, it's a device, so we should not eliminate such kind of jobs. It is an electronic device, so it has to be fixed. It has to be fixed. Yeah, that should be okay. So what I want to do, I want to put this connector back. Let me put this connector back. Let me put this back. And then what I want to do, just to put the board in position. And we have some screws. Let's put back all those screws. Let's put back all the screws. Let's do it. Put back all the screws and then we can test. We can test. That's the speaker connector. That's the connector for the Bluetooth. for the Bluetooth things. Yes, let's put back together. Let's put back all these screws together. After that, we can test our radio. Or should I test it before I put all the screws together? Maybe that's a good idea. Just to test. Let's put our speaker on charger. Yeah, here we have our charging port here. Look, we have this red light. Our speaker is charging. Let's try to power on our speaker if we can.
Power on.
You can hear the sound. Our speaker is now on. I just want to test if it's working. Let me search with my Bluetooth. Searching. Let us try to connect this. Bluetooth. Still searching, just wait a moment. Why it is not connected? Power off. Power on.
Power on. Pairing.
Pairing. I'm only seeing one device here, Huawei. Pairing. Connected. Let's look for music. Music. I just want to look for a nice song. Nice song, if you can get any. Our speaker is playing. You can hear the sound. So our speaker is working fine, but look the sound quality. That's so nice. Huawei is doing nice thing. That's so nice. Look the high frequency, the quality of sound. Yeah, that's so nice. Huawei is making nice toys. I think I'll buy such a thing in the future. I'm quite happy about the sound quality. High frequency, the bass, everything is quite nice here. And portable, you can put this one in your pocket. I'll put this cover here. Yeah, that's our speaker. So what we can say, just wish you all a nice weekend. Don't forget to like and subscribe for our videos. And yeah, I can see our channel is growing day by day. People are supporting the channel from all angles of the world. That's fantastic. What we can say, just have a nice weekend and see you on the next one. Bye.